Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to remove your video background in DaVinci Resolve free version. Okay, just understand that it is in free version. So just drag and drop your video, and this trick is mostly useful for uh, videos like this. I mean, a solid color background, otherwise a blurred background. Okay, so just drag and drop your video, then go to effects, then go to search box, then type 3D, then you can see the 3D gear here. Just drag and drop to here. Okay, then go to this selection tools here. You can here see, just click this one and select open effects overlay. Then you just click here, then you can see our screen color is changing. So just click and draw like this. Okay, just draw everywhere in this video. Okay, now we have successfully removed that background. Now you can come here and right click this track, then click the move track up. Then we can insert any background to here. I'm just using this background black color. Then you can see our background is changing, and that's it. Then whenever we use a background with a little bit white color, you can see, just play the video, you can see
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്
edges of this
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ആൻഡ്രോയിഡ് മലയാളി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ
sorry, one second. Okay, you can see edges of this video, there is a black color. How to remove this? I will give you a tip. Just go to the inspector window, then select your video, then go to the effects page, then just uh, swipe down or scroll down. Then you can see there is matte witness, this one. Okay, select and select the clean black option and just drag like this. Now you can see. Okay, just if you take 100%, that will be effect on your image. So just remove, just adjust like this above around the 46-50% like your image. Okay, that way you can easily adjust this also, then play it. It is not the perfect one, but it is useful for the beginners. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.